Hey you guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to do a DIY project for you. I want to change my old outdated fireplace and just make it a little bit more updated before I get ready to decorate for Christmas. Right now it's just a green marble that has some gold brass and then it has black. Pretty much I just want to paint the green marble just an all black color. Initially I wanted to change it completely out and add a different type of tile, like some type of white or gray tile, but I'm on a budget and this is not going to be my forever home, so I'm just going to do something quick and easy to update it and make it look pretty. Here are the products I'm going to be using. Since it is a gas fireplace, I'm going to be using the Rustoleum high heat spray paint, and this is gas and oil resistant. I got 2 cans of this. It is a flat black, and this holds up to temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So I got 2 cans of that because I'm sure I'm going to need several coats. And then I have a can of this glossy black. This is also an automotive enamel spray paint. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. I want to, but we'll see. Of course, I have some masks to, cover my nose and mouth while I'm spraying, gloves, scissors, and some painter's tape. And then I have a big roll of paper to tape off and cover what I don't want sprayed and painted. So here's the fireplace. As you can see, I have that white mantle up there and just the, the nice size and whatnot. But this is what I want to change right here. This green, I want that to be black, a nice matte black. Or I might actually, I thought about doing this like a glossy black. I'm not sure yet, but either way, that's going to be black. And then the brass hardware is all going to be a matte black. And then I have the floor also, that's going to be black. So I'm thinking, like I said, just doing a matte and then maybe doing that part glossy. I don't know. But I'm also going to buy this leaf, like a decorative leaf. I haven't gotten it yet, but I want to put that up there just for some decoration. And that might be what I paint the glossy black. I'm not sure, but anyway, here is a complete view of the fireplace. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and taped it off. Taped everything off that I'm not going to paint. And then I'm going to take some just regular alcohol and a rag and wipe it all clean. I did look up whether or not I should actually sand down this marble lightly before I paint, but everything I saw said that I don't need to sand it unless it has like a super glossy finish. This is old and worn out, and it is just, it's faded. It's not much of a shine to it. I don't know if you can really see in the camera, but it's really dull. I did a couple of test patches. There's one right there, and there's another one there, and it seems to have taken pretty well. It's not like scratching off or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That is the matte color. Alright you guys, so I am done. And I think it turned out really well. I didn't do the glossy part up here like I was talking about because I liked how it looked all matte. I did do like this part that was brass at first. I did paint that the glossy black, and I like that. It gives it just a little extra accent. And yeah, that's about it. I can't wait to actually decorate it with my Christmas stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I only used one coat of the matte. I did go back through and spray certain areas that I missed, and like over here you see there's like some extra black. So I have the white paint that was used for this up here, so I'll just take it and kind of touch up those areas like right there or right there, and I think it's a spot over here right there with the white, and just kind of clean it up. But overall I like it. If you have any questions, then make sure to leave it down below in the comment box, and I will be sure to respond back to you. I hope you enjoy this video, and stay tuned for my decorate with me video. I'm not sure if I'll post that before I post this, but make sure you subscribe and like and turn your notification bells on for my channel so you'll get the latest updates whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.